Hi, welcome to IFN Vegetarian. I'm Kamini Patel and I'm your chef for the day. Do click on the bell icon to get notifications for my new video. Today's recipe is a spinach and artichoke dip. So we're going to start first by heating some olive oil in the pan, about 1 teaspoon, and add about 2 teaspoons of garlic. So while your garlic is going to cook, we're going to chop the spinach. 2 handfuls. And now just pour the spinach into the pan. Give it a stir and add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of pepper, and let these cook. And I'm going to switch the heat off and let it cool slightly. Now to prepare the rest of the dip. So with white sauce, when you have leftover, and if you've kept it overnight in the fridge, it tends to thicken slightly. You can always loosen up with a little milk or cream. So I'm going to pour in the white sauce into my baking dish. I'm going to use chopped artichoke. You can use any kind of vegetable that you like. And then for the main part, cheese. So you can use any kind of cheese you really like. So I'm going to add half of the mozzarella. Now we're going to grate the rest of the cheese. So I say 1 cup, but it's really, you can do it by eye and by requirement. So I'm going to have half inside right now. And then I'm going to put a pinch of nutmeg. And I'm going to stir it. It's a bit messy. Then I'm going to add in the spinach. And just stir that in. Add the pine nuts. And then the remaining cheese, both mozzarella and cheddar. And then a little drizzle of olive oil. And then you bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbling. It's been 15 minutes and I think it's ready to come out of the oven. And serve it with some lavash and toasted bread. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do give it a shot and give your feedback in the comment box. Like and share this video and subscribe to IFN Vegetarian, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications.